Hello, welcome to Tech Tutorials, and today I'm going to be telling you how to change your email on Facebook. So once you open your Facebook, go into menu, then scroll down to settings, then go to the Meta Center options. Then go to personal details, contact info, there will be your email, tap on it and then delete your email. Once you do it, it will ask you to enter your password. Once you type your email, it will give you this error. Then tap on replace email and it will ask you to add a new email. Then once you add your email, it will replace your email from the previous one to the new one. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to like, subscribe and share it amongst your friends.